Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. We are going to be making Yoda earrings today. Everyone loves Yoda, I love Yoda, and I would love some Yoda earrings myself. So I thought we would make some today. Now I've not made them before, so whatever I come up with today is completely off the hook because I have no idea how to make them. It's gonna come together somehow. So let's get to it. So I've got my round nose pliers. I'm not sure what these ones are called, I can never remember, but it's flat nose pliers, I think they might be called. And then we've got a 2.5mm hook, some cotton yarn in green shade. I think this is from Stylecraft yarn, but I'll link it below for you anyway. I've then got some backs for my earrings. I've got some jump rings, and I've got some little hooks for the earrings as well. So let's get started. I'm going to grab my yarn and I'm going to make a magic ring. I'm going to wrap it around my finger a couple of times and put my hook through, grab the yarn. It's always a bit tricky for me, it seems to come undone, but grab it, bring it through and up, and then we're going to chain 1 and we're going to make 6 single crochets into the ring. Once we've done that, we can pull on the tail end and then tighten it all up to make it nice and snug. We're then going to slip stitch a join to the first single crochet that we made. So you've done 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We're then going to chain up 2, and this does not count as our first double crochet. So put 2 double crochets into the first stitch and then 2 into each stitch around. And then we'll slip stitch to the top of the first double crochet that we made. So you should have something that looks a bit like this. Then we're going to chain 1 and we're going to put 2 single crochets in each stitch around. So you should have a total of 24 single crochets. Okay, now you're going to slip stitch at the top of the first single crochet that you made. And we should have like a nice little disc like this. Now I'm going to start making the ears. Chain up 7. I'm going to turn my work so you're working only in the back loops. And I'm going to do a slip stitch into the first. Then a single crochet into the second, a single crochet into the next, a half double crochet in the next, a half double crochet in the next, and then in your last one we're going to do a double crochet. We're then going to skip 1 stitch and slip stitch into the next. And that is 1 little ear made. And then we're going to slip stitch 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Look. Yeah, we'll go with 8. And then we're going to chain up 7 again. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Some more yarn here. And 7. Then yet again we're going to turn it onto its back, so we're looking at back loops here, and I'm going to skip the first stitch, skip the first chain, and then we're going to slip stitch into that second one, just the same as before, and then a single crochet in the next, single crochet in the next, a half double crochet in the next, a half double crochet in the next again, and then a double crochet into the next. Then we're going to skip a stitch and go into the next, do a slip stitch. Then we're just going to slip stitch all the way back round so it's nice and even all the way round. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to join or fasten off with the invisible join, and then I will get to making the eyes. There we go, and that is done. If you don't know how to do the invisible join, I'll pop a link up here for you to the video that I have to teach you how to do that. And let's get to making the eyes. Alright guys, so for the eyes we've got a couple of options. You can either embroider the eyes, or you can use safety eyes if you want to, and to do that you simply pop them in to find out where you want them to be placed. And what you can do is use some wire cutters to just snip off the long bit, and so rather than having it sticking out the back, it just works as kind of like a flat half pearl. But luckily I have a few black half pearls, so I'm going to be using those to make life easier on myself. So they're just simple little half pearls with a flat back. And I'm going to use my hot glue gun to glue those on. I think that's kind of cute. I'm going to go with that. Right, let's just wait for this glue gun to heat up. And now we need to attach the earring. Turn them into little earrings because they're adorable and I want to wear them in my ears. So let's do that. So you're going to need an earring hook, some jump rings, and then your earring backs as well. Well, you don't necessarily need the earring backs, but they do stay in your ears a lot nicer if you do have them on. So, right, so jump rings, I'm going to use 2. I'm going to use this one, and I'm going to use one of the smaller ones as well. Scratch that, I'm just going to use the one which is the large one. So for jump rings, you don't want to pull them apart, you want to twist them away from each other. So let me just grab my tools. So hold one side with your flat nose pliers, and then taking your round nose pliers, you just want to twist it open. Like so. Okay, and then we're going to find the centre and pop our jump ring through. Just like so. And then to close, do the same thing again, but just in the opposite direction. So, like that. And there you have a cute little Yoda earring. How adorable is that? And now I've just got to make the other one. So bear with me 2 seconds and I'll be back in a flash. Ta-da! Magic. Quick as that. So we have these perfect little cute earrings ready for Christmas gifting, wearing yourself, maybe Comic-Con. That'd be amazing. My friend's going to Comic-Con soon. Maybe I could make her something like this. Remember to hit that like button, the subscribe button, leave a comment below and let me know how you get on with this pattern, guys. And if you're going to make them, let me know who you're gifting them to. Remember to also tag me on your socials, so if you pop it up on Instagram or Facebook or anything like that, tag me in it because I absolutely love seeing them. So I will see you guys in the next one. Bye bye for now.